Hey, what is up guys? Today I'm going to show you how to cook the perfect steak. All you need is a steak, obviously. I've got this two beautiful ribeye steaks, grass-fed, locally raised beef. And all you need for this steak dish is salt, pepper, rosemary, garlic, rosemary or thyme, any of them works fine, and some butter. Let's begin. Salt. A generous amount of salt. You know, meat loves salt and meat loves some pepper. So, salt, pepper, love me some pepper. And we'll do this on the other side too. So, as a rule of thumb, put the oil on the steak itself. Don't put it in the frying pan. We don't want it swimming in oil. So, oil on the steak. Massage the meat. So that's it. This is more than enough amount of oil for our steaks. Put the steak away from you. You don't want oil spraying on your face, right? So be careful. You want to put it away from you. Nice sear on your steak. You want to make sure that you sear all parts of the steak. So you've got this fat on the side, you want to sear it too. Nice sear on the steak from all sides. Look at this beautiful, beautiful, beautiful searing on the steak. Garlic in. I love me some garlic. Rosemary, you want to slap it like this. So you want to get the fumes out of it, you know, the smell, the beautiful aromatic smell out of the rosemary. Butter. Oh my God, if you can just smell this beautiful smell going out of here. Some more butter. What we're going to do right now is a process called pasting. You want to paste the steak in butter. Take the steaks off the heat. And let them rest. As a rule of thumb guys, you want to let the steak rest for half of the amount that you cooked it. So if you cook it for 10 minutes, let it rest for 5 minutes. Why do we rest the steak? We rest the steak for, we want the juices to be distributed equally in the whole steak. So if you cut it while it's hot, you're gonna lose all the juice inside of the steak and it's gonna become tough and chewy to eat. You don't want a chewy steak, you want a juicy steak, right? So to have a juicy steak, let it rest. And while it's resting, don't cover it, don't touch it, don't poke it, just let it rest. So as you can see, our steaks have rested right now and we're gonna cut it and see what we've gotten right here. Medium to medium well. Medium well to well done. Medium to medium well. Look at this beautiful, beautiful, medium, perfectly cooked steak. For more videos, please leave a like on this video, subscribe, and just be positive, man. Thank you for watching. See you the next time.